Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is RMS Queen Mary 2, call sign Golf Mike Delta Lima, MMSI 232002700. Position 40 degree 25 decimal 3 minutes north, 004 degree 05 decimal 2 minutes east. My vessel is on fire. My vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Over. Pan 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 pan. All station, all station, all station. This is empty front Altair. Call sign 9 Hotel Alpha Echo. Larger black tanker appears not under command. It is heading for South Harbor Bridge. It may collide with bridge pylon. Unknown tanker change course immediately. Over. Security, security, security. All station, all station, all station. This is Costco Shipping Universe. Costco Shipping Universe. Costco Shipping Universe. Call sign Bravo, Quebec, X-ray Yankee. 3 drifting containers observed in position 35 degrees 11 minutes north and 005 degrees 40 minutes west. Ships in the area keep sharp look. Over.